Hello, crypto elites. Hope you're all having a good day. Today, we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu and its current price and where I believe we're going to be heading to in the near future. So, a price prediction for the Shiba Inu coin, as well as a brief look at the Bitcoin chart. So if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, I'm just going to do a brief review of my thoughts on Shiba Inu. Since the June 18th, which is around about this point, this is where I called the bottom of the Shiba Inu chart. We have been ranging within this red zone for quite some time, ranging below the 0.236 Fibonacci extension. We have seen rises up to the top of this line here, the resistance line, drops back down below, rises back up, then drops back down below. Sorry, got a bit tongue-tied there. There has been one occasion where we have risen above our 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. We have had candle closes above there, but we got rejected not only off our trend line, but we got rejected off the 200-day moving average. Now, looking at our current situation, our 200-day moving average is here. We got our 50-day moving average here. We are currently trading above this zone here, as well as trading outside our trend line on our Fibonacci retracement. So, having said that, we have got a candle close, as you could see here, and what it looks to be sort of like a bull pattern, which is forming within the Shiba Inu chart, as well as the moving averages becoming closer and closer and closer together and creating somewhat of a golden cross. I've been saying this for a very long time. If you guys have been following my videos, we have had golden crosses within some of our other coins we have discussed, and we have seen major price movements to the upside. Normally what would happen is that you would see the massive increase in price first, and then you'll see the golden cross within the moving averages. But it is looking like we will see some more positive action within the Shiba Inu chart. Being that this point here, I would say, is a resistance line. We have bounced back off our 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, but looking here, a break above this zone here could actually send Shiba Inu into much higher prices. It looks like potentially on the days range, we may retest this point here. As long as we stay afloat above this level here, we should actually start to see more positive price actions within the Shiba Inu chart. A bull flag, like I have stated, looks to be forming. If I take away this line here, a bull flag consists of creating higher highs before we get to the end of this formation, and normally once we get to the end, which is this point here, we normally see a big break to the upside. So as long as we carry on creating higher highs to it, we close the gap and then reach this point, we should see a breakout within the Shiba Inu chart. So I am optimistic about Shiba Inu, but the only doubts that I'm having is when we actually look at the Bitcoin chart. So when we're looking at the Bitcoin chart, we have seen that Bitcoin has been rejected off of this line here and has been rejected off the, say, $24,500 mark. We can't seem to get above this zone and create a candle close. But again, it is a bit different from when we had this rise to the upside. We wasn't trading above our 200-day moving average. We was trading above our 50, but being that we are trading above both of them now, and we are literally at the pinnacle of a golden cross within the Bitcoin chart, it is looking bullish to me. We just need to close out this gap here before we see a big swing to the upside. But if we look at our MACD, we have gone slightly red on the MACD. We have had a crossover. More towards the bearish side. I'm hoping that this is the end of it. As you can see on our days range, we are looking a little bit more positive. Hopefully we can swing back up and actually close this gap, but a break below this support line could actually see Bitcoin go back down to these moving averages and looking at prices roughly around the $20,000 mark. As well as this looks like it's about to cross over, we could also see a rejection on the moving averages. So today is a very important day for Bitcoin, being that if we do get rejected, if these moving averages do reject each other, we could actually start to see a bearish cross on the market. But if this red line does cross over the green, so the 200 crosses over the 50-day moving average, we should actually see more price action to the upside. And in my previous videos, our resistance line we are looking at is roughly about the $27,500 mark. But once we break through there, we should actually reclaim the 100-week moving average, which is currently sitting roughly around about the $36,000 mark. So today is a very important day. I am not a financial advisor, but I have been doing this a very long time. I would wait it out if you're looking to invest your money. Just being that we could actually see a rejection of these moving averages. But in terms of Shiba Inu, a candle close above this line is looking bullish for me, as well as these moving averages are getting closer together, and as well as we've had a breakout above this trend line in our Fibonacci retracement, as well as trading above our moving averages. So there's a lot more bullish factors than there is bearish in my eyes. It's just a waiting game just to see what happens with Bitcoin, because in my opinion, wherever Bitcoin goes, the market goes. If you've got any questions, any comments, please leave them down below. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.